ETC, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis, in my last video, and since the price was already in this move, we mentioned about how we can look for buy, and this is what we get. All right. And we mentioned if you get, any buy setup with the breakout of this two top, we need to start to manage. As we can see, the price almost broke what we were expecting. Okay, we now want to see what's the next and how we can look for next trade. First of all, we start with the daily chart. This is, we have been looking for this correction for reversal, and this is what we get. We want to see whether there is a continuation and the price can break the previous top or not. The previous top, I mean around 14.3. Okay, in this case we move to lower time frame. We see what we have based on forward chart. All right, based on forward chart, again we have been looking for the reversal, and we wanted the price to break this top. As we can see, the price broke, and now we want to see whether there is a continuation to break this top or not. Then from there we can see whether this the one is going to retest the all-time high. I mean, maybe give a, 18, or this correction can turn to a more complex correction. All right. By the way, based on forward chart, we have nothing. If you want to trade based on forward, we need to get a correction. But right now, we don't have anything. And in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Okay. Based on 1 hour chart, if you refer to the indicators, we can see if we put this one, this top, and relative to this, we want to see what we have. Okay. First of all, MACD, we can see we have a divergence. But if there is a continuation, soon it will disappear. And another one also, we can see the divergence. Now the thing is how we can look for trade. The best things is if the price start to correct here, if we get the one more drop, deeper correction, it can give us better confirmation. That means the next trade can give us better continuation with the breakout of this stuff. But in that case, if we want to look for trade, one of the options, we wait to get the proper correction. But how about if the price continue from here? Any sharp move with the breakout of this with the flag with small correction similar to any of this, we can look for trade. But from now, we consider as a short term. If we trade based on the small correction, again, similar to whatever we have here, we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage, because we want to see whether the price can break 14.3 or not. All right. By the way, we don't have any trade set up right now. The only thing is since we have a divergence, we need to be quite careful. May this one turn to a deeper correction, either from here or when the price move higher, may we get a deeper correction before we get a continuation. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.